Welcome, everybody. NHL action. Mike Brenner coming back to you. A tough night last night in the NHL. We had two picks out there. Both of them lost by 1 goal, and both of them were covering it sometime during the game. All right, still not a good sign right now. We're 21-17-1. The gap is closing a little tighter. We're still up 4 units, so no need to panic, but it's time for us to brush our knees off and move forward and get it back, okay? Islanders are taking on the Ottawa Senators tonight. Now, Islanders are 24-15-3. All right. Their left winger, Brock Nelson, all right, he is the team leader with 18 goals, but he needs some help, okay? They're 2-0-1 in their last 3 games, but the offense has really been struggling. So Islanders going to look to pick that up tonight against the Ottawa Senators, okay? Captain John Tavares for the Islanders is in a 6-game scoring slump, all right? He has not gotten an assist or a goal in the last 6 games, and that's very unlike him. So look for him to really be pressing tonight. Ottawa Senators, 22-19-2 on the year, 11-6-1 at home. Now, they are looking for their 3rd win in the last 4 games, so they're starting to heat up. And it's also not because of their goalie, Craig Anderson, right? He had a couple nights off and then went back in the nets last game and got devoured, okay? On 7 shots, he gave up 4 goals. They pulled him, put in the replacement, ended up getting blown away 7-5. So here it is. Bet Online tonight is going to absolutely be all over this one with the Senators. All right, they're minus 107 because they're on a home ice. Craig Anderson will be back between the pipes. The Islanders are minus 103. As a lean, not a pick, I like the Islanders. I like them on the road. It's minus 103. So again, not a pick, but it is a lean. Islanders minus 103 on the money line. NHL action tonight. And tune in for our other NHL video. It is a pick video with the Washington Capitals. Okay, NHL action tonight. Cash your ticket. Don't miss it.